Trying Tula skincare and foundation. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel. Basically things that make you feel fabulous at any age. If you're interested in this type of content and you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the brand Tula. They make all different kinds of skincare products. First thing I tried from them was this, which is the Rose Glow and Get It under eye sort of anti-puffiness type treatment, cooling and brightening eye balm. I've loved this. I've been using this fairly regularly. Decided to try a couple of other things. This, to me, was the perfect opportunity to sample their skincare. This is the Instant Depuff Eye Renewal Serum, Protect and Plump Firming and Hydrating Face Moisturizer, Wrinkle Treatment Drops, Retinol Alternative Serum, and Tula Skincare Beauty Sleep Overnight Repair Treatment. 4 really good products, 4 of their sort of signature products in travel sizes in one container. So far I've been using this for 2 to 3 days. Gonna let you know what I think about all of it. And I'm also trying this for the first time. This is Tula Skincare Radiant Skin Brightening Serum Skin Tint Sunscreen. This is a tinted serum that basically will act as your foundation. So I'm using that today as well. Gonna give you my overall opinion on all of this. So I'm gonna start using these wrinkle treatment drops. And it says just dispense 4 or 5 drops onto dry, clean face. So I'll just put a few drops on my fingers and rotate them around my face. Just sort of a nice creamy serum, basically. The next little thing that came in this kit that I'm gonna use, this is called the Instant Depuff Eye Renewal Serum. Put a little bit of that again on my fingers and start with the under eyes and just go all around the eye socket. And the other thing, this one is called the Protect and Plump Firming and Hydrating Moisturizer. Just this on the face and the neck and just rub it in. Yeah, just let it absorb. Next up, I'm going to use the first product from Tula I ever bought. This is the Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. And I just will put that on right before my concealer. And let it, it's another step in sort of depuffing. Now the final product I got from Tula Skincare is called Radiant Skin Brightening Skin Serum Tint. Sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 30. So this is sort of like serum foundation. The shade I got was 11 Light Medium Neutral. And this is my first time trying this. So I'm just gonna test it throughout the day and let you know how this works as both a serum and a foundation. So it's like this, I'm going to just put a little bit on my hand, and it is sort of a medium texture, somewhat runny, but I don't know, about average consistency. And I'm just using my brush to apply it. Put some on the neck as well. The shade is nice. It has sort of a nice sort of skin-like texture with just a little bit of a glow. Okay, I'm going off camera and doing the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, the rest of my makeup's done. I'm gonna go out today and touch back later and let you know just how this foundation or this serum, tinted serum, held up. It goes on like a lightweight foundation. I like the color. It blends well with the rest of my makeup. The texture really feels good on my skin. How does it last during the day? That's going to be the final test. Okay, after 8 hours, this Tula foundation does still seem pretty fresh Not a lot of fading or settling into lines. I do notice my pores seem a little bit larger now than they did when I first put it on. But other than that, I think this has held up really well, and it has so many good things in it. Active ingredients, avobenzone, octisalate, I think that's the sunscreen. It does not have any retinol or any dairy or any gluten or any fragrance. It is cruelty-free. This is formulated with the S-Pro Complex, a proprietary Super 6 blend of prebiotics and probiotic extracts to help improve skin smoothness and maintain skin balance. Rainbow seaweed, ceramides and hyaluronic acid, niacinamide and collagen. All of that good stuff is in this. So I do like this, and I think it is going to be something that will be in rotation on a regular basis for me. And also, overall, the Tula brand I am really liking. I think if you can find this particular kit, it's a great way to try this skincare without paying full price for it, because it is discounted. It's I'll put the information down below in the description, but 4 products. The other product, in addition to the ones that I used this morning, is this Beauty Sleep Overnight Repair Treatment, which is really good. I've worn this a couple of nights, and it does really leave my skin feeling soft and dewy and moist all night long and into the morning. So yeah, I really like the Tula brand, everything that I've tried from it so far. I think all of these products will definitely get the thumbs up. That's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.